Does the Bible go against the concept of evolution? According to Nat Geo, evolution is the process by which species adapt over time in response to their changing environment. Many scientists say that humans evolved from ape-like ancestors over a period of about 6 million years. Now, the Bible may actually support this theory, as it states in Genesis that animals were created before humans. Then God said, "Let the earth be filled with animals, and let each produce more of its own kind. Let there be tamed animals, small crawling animals, and wild animals. And let each produce more of its own kind." And it happened. So God made the wild animals, the tame animals, and all the small crawling animals to produce more of their own kind. God saw that this was good. Genesis chapter 1, verses 24 to 25. Then God spoke, "Let us make human beings in our image. Make them reflecting our nature." Genesis chapter 1, verse 26, the Message translation. During this time when God created the animals, he had to have created apes. The Message translation says that God created human beings to reflect nature, and apes are a part of nature. So it's very possible that during this time, humans were created by evolution. But what about the amount of years it took for humans to evolve? According to the Bible, God had created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh. So at first glance, this concept seems to go against evolution, as the theory states that one evolved over millions of years, and not days. But according to the Bible, with the Lord, 1 day is as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as 1 day. 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 8. So by this verse, we can conclude that God may not have created everything in literally 6 days, but 6 days could have been thousands of years. So to conclude, does the Bible go against the concept of evolution? No, it doesn't. There are many verses in the Bible that suggest that evolution is a biblical fact. Is evolution biblical? According to Nat Geo, evolution is the process by which species adapt over time in response to their changing environment. Many scientists say that humans evolved from ape-like ancestors over a period of about 6 million years. For many, this is a deciding factor as to if they should believe in Christianity. The Bible states all throughout Genesis chapter 1 that God created the world in a matter of days. This doesn't completely go against the concept of evolution, as the Hebrew word for day used in Genesis is yom, which could mean time, period, general. This is just a more figurative approach to Genesis rather than a literal one. The Bible also states that with the Lord, 1 day is 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as 1 day. 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 8. We can conclude that God may have not created everything in literal 6 days, rather than days could have been years. According to the Life Application Study Bible, the Bible does not discuss the subject of evolution. Rather, its worldview assumes God created the world. The biblical view of creation is not in conflict with science. Rather, it is in conflict with any worldview that starts without a creator. Students of the Bible must be careful not to make the Bible say what it doesn't say, and students of science must not make science say what it doesn't say. We must be careful not to add our own beliefs to the text to make it fit a specific narrative.